All right, so now both jet skis do have the carbs rebuilt. I tested them when we were back at the house, and both fired up without starting fluid, so hopefully it'll work okay. It's pretty windy out, so I think I might skip the drone today, but we'll at least have the GoPros going. Water's a little cold too, but could be worse. Alright guys, so we're trying out something a little different today. So I do have 360 mounted up to my chest. We'll use that for kind of the forward footage. And then I'm going to try out using the regular GoPro 9 here on the front and have it facing toward me instead of facing forward like we have been before. And I figured that way it'll kind of get some good rider position type footage showing kind of what we're doing while we're riding the ski. So it's just kind of experimenting. I just basically want to see how I like it or not. Then the other objective is obviously just to see how well both of these skis run with the new carb rebuild. I'm really happy mine's firing right up, so that's a huge deal right there. So we'll just kind of see how it goes. That's kind of screwing up everything. These waves are just really making the frickin' ski buck quite a bit. Soap there, bud. You got me.
I got you?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, the stream on the back just shoots so far.
I wasn't trying to.
I don't care. It doesn't seem as windy over here.
It's blocked.
Yeah.
That and the cove over there is pretty nice too.
True.
It's a lot smoother.
That's weird, it's running pretty rough. That's nice. Losing parts on the ski now. I don't even know where that screw came from, but I'm guessing all those bounces knocked the dang thing loose. That's cool. Huh. That's very interesting. Guys, I have no idea where that thing came from. We're just losing parts now. Where'd that come from? I don't know. I felt it. When I was doing all those jumps and everything, I felt it hit my foot. I was like, that's weird.
Oh, it came out from under your throttle.
No, because they're all there. Unless it's on this side. Oh well. Can't have been that important. It was still running anyway. I wasn't expecting it to go that well. No, you got me, and your ass end spun, and it just like, it didn't even get me up here as much as it just like came right across my nutsack. Dude! I did, with that one, I wasn't even at 10-2 when I tried to soak you that last time. I did it so hard, I did a complete 180, and it like the entire front end was underneath the water.
Oh, dude, your sunglasses are gone.
Huh?
Your sunglasses are gone.
No, they're in here. They were so covered up with water that I couldn't even see anymore. That was miserable. Oh yeah! You like that? You like that? That's what you get.
Oh my God.
Enjoy the water. There's one of your shoes. How did you even do that?
I just kind of slipped.
Oh, I thought sure I lost my goggles because your thing like washed them off of my face. Oh.
That was fun.
You successfully upended yourself. No, I'm trying to move away from the lily pads. You can be a whole. You got it. Where's your other? Oh, you're still on your foot. Oh, I am, dude.
How bad did it?
Oh, it's bad. I should have taken off my shirt.
That second time, I thought our ass hands were gonna.
Oh, I thought so too. Oh, my whole leg went numb.
What did it hit?
The side. I full force kicked it. I was like completely hanging off. Like my foot was the only thing over the. I turned so sharp it almost completely threw me off. You're right. I'm so saturated. I'm sure they sank. Or they're my bad ones anyway.
I'm so sorry.
I looked the entire, it was just the cone from the nozzle just shot at me.
Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry, dude.
Oh, I don't care.
You gotta get me back. Come on.
Hmm?
I said you have to get me back. Come on.
Get you back? I don't even care. You're soaked enough as it is.
I'm not soaked. I'm still dry.
Really?
Yeah.
So I haven't even got you once? It's pathetic.
I was not expecting it to shoot that.
It did? I wasn't either. It was just like an absolute missile. I'm quite literally frozen at this point. Frozen. Well guys, that's going to do it for this video. All in all, it was a pretty successful day. Both jet skis fired right up like I was hoping. Mine was having a few issues early on. It seemed like once I got it fired up and I ran it around for about 20 minutes or so, and then it started, once I went down to get to an idle, it did not want to stay running. So I'm thinking with how dirty that carb was, it probably had a lot of stuff in there still that wasn't completely knocked loose. So probably some more stuff loosened up and kind of clogged it off early on. So I'll probably need to pull that thing again, clean it out again, and then put it back together, and then we should be good. But for the most part, I really can't complain. Sucks I ended up losing my $200 glasses, but it was really a great time. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Make sure and let me know too with the new camera angle that I tried out. If you guys like that, make sure to let me know. I'm not 100% sure. I think it did help a little bit, but I definitely still need to play around with just adding some different angles to the footage. So yeah guys, that's all I've got for you. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like if you can, and that'll help out the algorithm get the videos continued to push forward. And other than that, we'll just catch you in the next one.